Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Garage, where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Audi e-tron from Top Models. Now, straight away you can see the sleeve design continuing the same design as it has got on the model, continuing on the back as well with the Audi logo, the Quattro and also the 164 on the bottom, Top Models and all the details you would need. It has got the number 43 for Ken Block and also the Monster logo at the top of the sleeve as well. You can see it's displayed nicely on this acrylic base with the white design and the clear underside, with the two screws holding it in place, and also the metal base plate on the front which says S1 HOONITRON with the Top Models logo as well. You can now see with the model unboxed that it is really nice and intricate and the body lines are absolutely fantastic. The headlights is something I do want to point out as they are really nice and small and intricate, tucked away in that front bumper. Again, not too noticeable, but again when you do, the detail is really good. The wheels do roll a little bit and you will see that it does roll with a bit of force, but you can easily swap that with a little bit of a wheel swap. Obviously these models are a screw base, so you can very easily swap them. There is also a nice little bit of detail on the interior which you will see closer up, as it is gutted and it has got a nice mechanical look to the inside, which again really cool that they've even thought to do that, as you can't really see it through the window too well, but obviously if you are looking it is definitely there. Same goes for the intricacy on the rear of the model. Again, the body lines are really well done and the decals are really nicely placed. You can see that gloss finish really emphasising all the detail on the livery, especially on the front fenders with all them little lines. Really cool that they have introduced all that level of detail, and the fact that it is so crisp as well. Obviously with the fact that they've got the level of detail on the interior, and overall the actual model is just really well proportioned. It's really solid in hand, it doesn't feel flimsy in any way. You can see that the wheels are a little bit stiff and they don't really roll under too much pressure. You do have to use quite a bit of pressure to get them to roll. Obviously you can see me pressing down on the model to make the wheels roll there, so it won't roll under free will. But you can see static, this model looks absolutely excellent. The vibrancy on the colours and the crispness on the decals, the overall body lines and the intricacy on this model look really good, and especially the fact that this is the first brand to do it. Obviously it's very good as a starting point for other brands to maybe improve or do their own versions or spin-offs of this model, as you know there'll definitely be more in the future. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this model, what do you think they can improve on, and what is your favourite part of this casting as well. I do read all of the comments and I try and get back to everyone, so it's greatly appreciated all the feedback you do leave, especially for the models as well, as I love talking diecast. So let me know in the comments down below.